What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have a big announcement to make. I am writing my first book. That's right, I'm going to be a published author, and on this vlog, I'm gonna share with you behind the scenes every step of the way so that I can share the journey of going from an idea and following through all the way and shipping a final product. And my goal in this vlog series is to be as transparent as possible. I want to share a behind the scenes look at how you go from an idea and actually publishing something, whether that's writing a book or starting a business for the first time. I want to share everything that I'm learning along the way, all the tools that I'm using, everything that I'm learning from all the mentors that I connect with, and all the experience that I gain in going through this journey. I'm going to share that right here on this vlog, and I hope to connect with you in a really deep way. So that way, if you're looking at writing your first book or you're starting a business, whether it's a coffee shop or a tech company, really taking something from ground zero, literally ground zero, and launching something into the market, I hope that you guys can connect with this. If you haven't already checked out my TEDx talk that I gave, going from an idea until Apple App of the Year, check it out. It's only a 10-minute video TEDx talk that I gave, how we took MySwimPro from an idea to App of the Year. You know, 81% of people say that they want to write a book, and actually a lot of people do end up start writing their book, but a lot of people don't actually finish that journey. They just get started, but they don't actually finish it. And so in this video, I want to wrap it up by sharing a little bit more of the who, what, when, where, how, and why. So who am I? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ksebati. I'm 28 years old. And about 5 years ago, I took my idea for MySwimPro, and now we launched the company, and today it is a global technology and media company with a distributed team across 10 different time zones. The application MySwimPro was named by Apple as the best app of the year. The company is now 7 figures in revenue, and we have a global community that spans over 180 different countries. So the what? So this is basically a behind the scenes vlog, and how often I'm gonna share every single week. I'm gonna share an update, I'm gonna share the progress that I'm making, and hopefully you can follow along. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you can also enter in your email so you can keep up to date on all the different things that are coming out and all the big updates that I can share with you guys. Now, why? So I really believe that over the last few years, the last couple decades in the sport of swimming, I've learned a lot, and I can share that, and I can package that up into a book. And I really believe strongly that this is one of the best ways to sort of showcase all of this knowledge and help a lot more people. I think the ability to package this information in a book as compared to an application or all the media content that we produce on MySwimPro's social channels is gonna be something that's really impactful and meaningful to a lot of people. I also believe through book publishing, whether it's an audiobook, Kindle, or the hardcover, you can reach a lot more people, and obviously I'm going for impact. It's great that we have the MySwimPro mobile app, but it's a little bit expensive for some people, it's not really accessible, and it's not exactly what everyone's looking for. It's not a one-size-fits-all. We produce a lot of media content at MySwimPro, whether it's our articles or our vlog series, but I really think by publishing in a book, we can create a more compact version of all of that information, everything that I've learned over the last 10 plus years of coaching, 5 plus years building this global company, and the last 20 years of being in the sport of swimming, really package it up and deliver it to a lot more people, and also build a legacy, both for me professionally and also the brand of MySwimPro. If we can connect more people to each other, to the information, and really democratize the sport of swimming, that's what this is all about. All right, so my next steps, this is my action items here, and really at the end of every video, I'm gonna share what my action items are for the week coming up, and then in the next video, I'm gonna share a recap of how I did across those goals. So my accountability, you guys are my accountability buddies right here. Number one is to set up a landing page. So I wanna make sure that anyone who's interested in following along this journey and also contributing to the book in a number of different ways that you can get involved, I have a way that you can put in your email. I actually set this up just a couple of days ago. If you check it out, linked in the description below, I have my website redirecting, and you can go ahead and put in your email, and you can really get updated through that way. So that's step number one, already complete. I want to reach out to 10 published authors for advice. You know, it's really interesting. I went on my LinkedIn and I just searched author, and I had over 300 results, or several hundred people have published books in my personal network. So I'm going to try and tap into those people and learn as much as I can and get their advice and share their advice right here on the vlog at the next episode. And I want to build a timeline to hold myself accountable. So it's one thing to say that you're going to do something, it's another to set up an action plan and have a timeline and actually follow through with it. So I'm going to set up a timeline, and that means everything from, when I'm going to have my drafts done for each chapter, when I'm going to have the outline, when I'm going to, work with an editor, and when I'm actually looking to publish, and all the marketing surrounding that as well. So right now my word count is at 0, and this is really the first vlog in this series. It truly is. I haven't actually done anything. If you guys are thinking, oh, he's some crazy, entrepreneur, he's, Forbes 30 under 30 guy, he can do that, of course, I can't do this. But that's not true. I am not actually that strong of a reader. It was one of the subjects that I struggled struggled in growing up. And today, I'm not one of those people that wakes up at 4:30 a.m. I take cold showers and then I read a book a week. That's not me. I read a lot of articles. I write a lot of articles for MySwimPro, but I'm not someone who reads like a book a week. So if you think, oh, I'm not really that strong of a writer or reader, this isn't for me, that's not really true. Look at me. I've never written a book, and this is my first stab at it, and I want to share that journey with you guys and be as transparent as possible. If you guys are interested in following the journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel and put your email in that capture form. You can also follow me on social media for a little bit more behind the scenes on the day-to-day. All of my handles are the same, so I look forward to connecting with you. As always, keep hustling.